Hola, hi everyone, it's me. Today is a holiday. Today is Veterans Day, and I am about to head over to my friend's house because her grandmother will be teaching me how to make puri today. She is going back to Guyana in a couple of days, so today is the day that she's gonna teach me. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me for the journey. I have to pick up onions and oil and then head over to their house. So let's go. Taking my laptop with me because I have to edit some stuff, so I'll do that over at their house. Oh wait, you know what? I'll need my charger. Duh.
And he told her all his heart, and said unto her, There hath not come a razor upon mine head.
Everywhere.
Thing moist.
So this is oil and water.
And oil.
How much
yes.
water?
I put half cup of water. 2 pounds of flour.
2 pounds.
Yeah. Okay, this, the oil was here, I used from there to there oil.
Okay.
Okay, let me say like a cup of oil. Okay, I'm gonna mix it now.
Okay. So do you always use oil and water?
Always.
Okay. Why? Why is the oil and
It
water?
keep the mixture firm, soft. Because if you notice what, it mixes different like when you mix roti. You don't mix roti with oil.
Oil and water.
No, you mix it with the bare water.
Yeah.
But this is the puri. So I'm gonna mix this.
This one's baking powder.
Baking powder. Okay, mixing that.
How do you? Any?
Mix it in like this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And she's mixing the dough.
Wait, do you roll it a certain way, or you just?
No, you just do
squeeze
it like this. Yes, mixing the baking powder.
Oh, it is soft.
Yes.
Okay.
That's because of the oil. The
oil
oil
and
give it
water.
that texture.
No. Okay.
Put a little flour inside. And you leave this like a 15,
Leave it for 15
15
minutes.
or 20 minutes, like just give.
Okay. Do you cover it with like a wet
Yeah, you
cloth or
can.
anything?
No, not with cloth.
Oh,
Yeah,
just
ordinary cover.
You can use paper towel.
Towel, you could cover it.
And, and
It's
how
2
much
pounds of flour, right?
2 pounds of flour. And how much baking powder you use just now?
Use like a, I want to show you where you can use.
Tablespoons for 2 pounds of flour. So the piece is done. So you're gonna grind it now?
No, really cool. Feel it.
Ooh. Okay.
So this got a cool now.
So how long you would assume that it was cooking for? About half an
What,
hour?
to cool?
No, it was cooking. It was boiling.
Yes. Well, me don't time it, you know, because what I do, I keep feeling it until it get like this.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
And then I take it out. And I get the most dangerous snake I ever see.
Oh god.
They get all kind of snakes.
Yeah, labaria.
Labaria, This labaria.
But yellowtail don't beat labaria though.
Yeah, I don't know about this.
Yellowtail don't bite. Yellowtail is
Just large.
no. Yellowtail is the ones where like rice farmers is rear them, so that when they get rattlesnake and so that they send them yellowtail out, and it is.
The only thing me know good for rattlesnake is pig.
Pig?
Yes, pig does eat them. Onion and scallion.
And pepper?
What we call shallot and pepper.
Okay.
But you never find this pepper here.
There's no Mary?
Yes.
This is the mill to grind the peas. At the business. Grinding the peas. This is my cooking teacher, Miss Sylvina. Guyana's best cook.
Ah, no, I'm not Guyana's best cook.
Yes, you are.
Sorry, no. I'm not.
I
Not
know,
my
girl.
Coney
Nobody
best
can come
either.
up for me, guys. I eat already.
I'm not my Coney best either.
This is Jira. Oh, that smells good.
I want to get some sugar.
Oh, why sugar? Why are we putting sugar?
Put in burn stomach.
Okay. How much sugar would you
Salt
put?
to taste. And not much, like a teaspoonful.
Okay, a teaspoon of sugar. And add salt to taste. So it's already gifted. It was gifted for about an hour. Does it matter what kind of oil you use?
No olive oil though.
Oh.
If you mix it with olive oil, it's gonna be too heavy.
Okay.
So it won't it's gonna take a longer time to give, a longer time, and it won't come out good baking.
Okay.
The dough, and you make like this. Make sure it's copper.
Let me see. Let me see the bottom. Okay.
When you rest it, because you gotta leave it a couple minutes to give.
Okay.
Where the flour?
It's behind
Oh,
it.
look.
Oh.
Okay. When you put it here, if I leave
It's
it
the same
to
thing
give
you do
like
for
another-
roti,
Yeah.
right?
Yes, but roti roll a different way. But you
Okay.
make the dough just like this. And you put a little bit. And I put it too much for it to run out.
Okay.
It kind of look like a little green because of the shallot and the shallot and the
onion and stuff.
yes, the jeera and so.
Okay.
And you see, if you get fresh parched jeera, the jeera when I get them a bun them too much, man. That's why me just like grind my own jeera, parch it and grind it. Cause them a black them on too much. That's why you get a dark color because puri supposed to carry the peace color.
The yellow color.
The yellow color, right? But by the jeera, them a burn them too much, so you get a dark color. Alright, you roll like this.
Okay.
You
Oh.
roll it for the piece not come out. Roll it like this. Well, let me tell you something. I'm a very good cook. When you see come and rolling roti and puri, my hands is not straight or round. It's not even, and I don't know why. All right, you see how you get it in? Okay. Wanna like back this now?
And this is what?
This is oil and lard.
Oh, oil and
You know
lard.
lard?
Okay, I know lard. is.
What?
Huh?
Going back same time. Alright, you see this side?
Still got cook.
Yes, it's still got to go.
Oh.
Once I roll over, I leave it to go. Where you see now?
It's raising up there.
Oh, okay.
So that means
that's
the
why
piece
I tell
cooking?
you it's not gonna be too thin because it's raising.
Okay.
And when it's raising, that means it's cooking. So I'm gonna turn it over on the other side.
Okay.
Let me put this one. Let me put in this one.
So I'm rolling my first roti. No. Before I pour it.
Yeah,
So much.
go say wrong. So you teach people
So
to
what
do
would-
wrong thing.
Go back and forth. Yep, no, side to side. Turn it over. They do the same. Make sure it's nice and flat. You want the edges to be nice and thin.
on the flat surface. Look, the piece on the side.
How you make the piece come out of the side?
That's she own.
How you make the piece come out of the side?
Listen, let the rolling for the export. You just
Come bake.
yeah, you got bake.
So now I take this and I make like this.
Oh,
See it?
yeah.
And then I base it again with the oil until that side cook. If you notice, the piece didn't get too much at the edge because we don't want it to burst.
Oh. So, well, I gotta learn how to roll it so it won't be
Too much at the edge. So